Modern software engineering isn't just about writing code. Welcome to CodeX. What you're seeing is a high-performance, collaborative workspace built for distributed teams. Fast, secure, and completely unified, we didn't find the perfect solution, so we built it. Let's talk about the onboarding flow. A team lead registers a workspace, creating an encrypted domain. Under the hood, we handle team provisioning through a robust Node.js backend, securing credentials with bcrypt, and issuing JWTs for stateless session management. We log in, the system authenticates, and drops us into the command center. This is the CodeX dashboard. Using Redux Toolkit, we manage global state efficiently, from permissions to dark and light theme toggles. Now, let's initialize a project and enter the core editor. This is not just a text box, it's a full Monaco editor implementation. Notice the language versatility. The real power is AI integration. Click Generate Review, and we securely proxy the code through our backend, protecting API keys, and leverage Google Gemini for static analysis. In seconds, we receive actionable, markdown formatted architectural suggestions. Because CodeX is built for teams, communication must be instantaneous. This chat interface is powered by sock.io. We maintain WebSocket connections, broadcasting typing indicators, presence, and messages in real time, bypassing HTTP polling latency. Sometimes text isn't enough. So we integrated native video calling. When a call is initiated, our backend provides stun and turn server configurations, allowing clients to negotiate a peer-to-peer connection. This means high fidelity audio and video, flowing directly between developers, reducing server bandwidth, and ensuring absolute minimal latency. CodeX is a testament to modern web architecture. By combining the MERN stack with WebSockets, we haven't just built an application, we've built a comprehensive ecosystem for the next generation of software development. Thank you.
The tech that's running that engine room. Node.js and Express, they form the core server, the backbone. MongoDB is the giant digital library where all the data is stored, projects, users, messages, you name it. Security is handled by something called JSON Web Tokens, which are basically digital ID cards for your session. And of course, the AI brain of the whole operation is Google's Gemini. Let's actually trace how these pieces work together. Say you click that Get Review button on the front end. That action sends your code to the backend server. Now here's the really clever part. The server acts as a secure middleman, a proxy. It sends the code to Google's AI. And why is this so smart? It means the secret API key stays safe on the server, never ever exposed to the browser. Gemini sends its analysis back, and the server zips it right back to your screen. It's a perfect, secure loop. Okay, now for the real magic. You know when you see your teammate's cursor moving, or you see them typing in real time? How do video calls just work inside the browser? Well, this stuff doesn't happen by accident. It requires a really specialized set of tools designed for instant two-way communication. The first piece of that puzzle is the WebSocket, which is managed here by a great library called socket.io. I want you to imagine a constant, open phone line between your browser and the server. Instead of having to hang up and redial for every single tiny piece of information, you just have this open channel. It is absolutely perfect for things like live chat, those little typing indicators, and of course, syncing code changes instantly. And then there's WebRTC. This is for the heavy stuff, audio and video streams. And the genius of WebRTC is that it connects two browsers directly to each other, what we call peer-to-peer. The data actually bypasses the main server entirely, which is exactly what makes those video calls so fast and efficient. And when you put them side by side like this, it becomes super clear. Socket.io is like that instant messaging line, always open between you and the server for all those small, quick updates. WebRTC, on the other hand, is like a direct video phone line between you and your colleague. CodeX absolutely needs both, one for orchestrating the whole workspace, and the other for that high bandwidth communication. Okay, let's zoom out for a second. What can we really learn from this CodeX blueprint? Because this structure isn't just for this one app. It's a fantastic model for how tons of modern collaborative web applications are being built right now. There are really three crucial design choices to highlight here. First, they decoupled their services. Keeping chat separate from video means a heavy video stream can't ever slow down your chat messages. Makes sense, right? Second, that secure AI proxy we talked about. By having the backend make the AI call, the secret key is never ever exposed to the public internet. Huge for security. And third, the single-page app architecture is what gives you that fast, fluid, almost desktop-like feel. So when you put all of these pieces together, the fast front end, the powerful back end, and the real-time magic, you start to see that CodeX is a lot more than just an app. It's really a blueprint for a complete development ecosystem, one that seamlessly blends coding, communication, and AI. So CodeX gives us this powerful blueprint for how to combine code, communication, and AI into one package, and it really leaves us with a pretty thought-provoking question. If this is what's possible today, what will the next generation of digital workspaces be able to build?